and welcome. My name is Rebecca and I am the temporary housewife. Today I bring to you a keto-friendly recipe and it has been a lifesaver. I am making a bacon cheddar cheeseburger salad. First things first, let's cook up the meat. I took about 10 ounces of ground beef and seasoned it with some steakhouse seasoning. When breaking down the meat, you want to be careful that you don't make it too small as if it were for meat sauce. You want to make sure it's nice, big chunks. After I drained my meat, I went ahead and added some onion. I love caramelized onions on a burger. I also added some Worcestershire sauce. At this point, if you have a keto-friendly ketchup, you can add some of that. We're not really ketchup people in this house. Also, if you like to add mushrooms, you can go ahead and do that. You can add anything you usually add to your burger. As for dressing, I took about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a tablespoon of mustard, salt, pepper, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I mixed it all together. Now we are ready to assemble. I took a small head of romaine lettuce, chopped it up, and split it between the two bowls and started to add my toppings. I did tomatoes, pickles, which you can definitely omit any of these if you don't like them. Maybe you like jalapenos and want to add that. Sounds good. Then you're going to add your meat, and you're going to see some of that bacon on the side over there. It is store-bought bacon pieces. You can cook up your own if you have the time. I just made it easier on myself. Now we're going to add our little cubes of cheddar cheese. And you can definitely use shredded. I prefer to use a block and cut it up myself. Less carbs and less additives that way. And then you're going to top it with your delicious dressing. And there it is. Bacon cheddar cheeseburger salad. Keto friendly and delicious. And let me tell you, that dressing was everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see some more, please subscribe. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and buen provecho!